Hi renovators! Again, welcome to my page. So, just check my Facebook channel and YouTube channel. So, ito, renovators, nag-renovate kami sa commercial unit sa loob ng One Ayala Mall. So, for now, for this episode, I will just discuss some tips on renovations inside a mall. Tulad nitong One Ayala Mall. Let's go! So kung isa kang commercial unit owner na gustong mag-renovate dito sa loob ng mall, so I'll just give some tips kung paano ka mag-start at the same time para makapag-business ka sa loob ng mall tulad dito ng One Ayala Mall. So ito, nire-renovate namin is Activate Sports. So mostly sports fitness siya na commercial na business. So ayun. So, for tip number one, ang pinakagagawin nyo talaga pag sa commercial mall, kayo magre-renovate ng commercial space nyo is, of course, try to look for the leasing officer or admin ng building ng commercial mall. So, mostly, ang leasing or admin is sila nakakaalam ng mga leasing terms na dito sa loob ng commercial mall. Kumbaga, yun yung startup mo. So yun, pag nakahanap na kayo ng leasing officer and admin, yun yung pinaka-start nyo para makapag-list na kayo dito sa inside commercial mall. So yun, tip number 2, after you negotiate with the leasing officers and admin regarding the leasing terms and agreement, of course, much better yung mga leasing terms na ibibigay ng commercial mall is ipacheck nyo rin sa legal or lawyers, of course, kung ano yung mga terms and agreements and of course conditions regarding the renovation inside the commercial mall and also your leasing. So mostly sa mga leasing contracts nakalagay naman yung kung ano yung mga terms and conditions ng lease, kumbaga yung pinaka validity niya and conditions na binibigay ng pinaka mall regarding sa mga commercial unit owners. Then tip number 3, pag inside commercial mall na mag-renovate, of course, is to look for a contractor. So mostly ang suggestion ko talaga pag maghanap kayo ng mga contractors is yung mga tinatawag na may PCAB license or Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board tulad namin as 8 Core. So meron kami PCAB license. So mostly ano ba ang kahalagan ng PCAB license? So pag PCAB license kasi, of course, it's an accredited body or organization by the Department of Trade and Industry. So mostly, katulad namin, nagre-report kami sa PCAB na pinaka-board at the same time, pinaka-body or representative ng DTI ng mga legal na contractors dito sa Pilipinas. Mga kontrata nyo is magiging secure sa amin, mga projects, of course, because we are reporting under PCAB and DTI. So, ayun. So, ayun, renovators. So, for now, yun lang mga tips ko para makapag-start kayo ng mga renovation dito sa commercial unit dito sa loob ng mall. So, ayun, renovators, again, thank you. Bye!